Hello everybody, this is Chuck and thanks for stopping by the shop. This is going to be a product review. As you know, I did a couple of reviews recently on some smaller welders, and this company here, VIVO Home, contacted me and said, you know, take a look at our catalog. If there's something you can use in your shop, we'd like to go ahead and supply it to you and have you do a video, an unboxing video. So I selected a cart for those little welders. Amazingly, it came in 3 days. They must have a warehouse here in the United States. It is from China. The box came with no damage whatsoever. And the gross weight of this is 45 pounds in the box here, which I was quite surprised when I went to pick it up. So let me do a little slicing here on the box, and we'll get it open and we'll take a peek at what's in there. This unit is a 4-drawer unit. It seems to be well packaged. There's the drawers. The wheels. And we've got instructions. So I have a parts list diagram here, assembly steps, and voila, we get it put together. This looks like a bag of hardware. Yep, bag of hardware. It's got all nylocks on the nuts. It's kind of nice. We've got the casters for the front. We've got the wheels. Set those over there. Another chain for the tanks. Another drawer. There's the axle and like a fascia piece. And some shelves. And what appears to be the main body down below. There's the back panel, and the bottom. That's where the axle would go through. Okay, well boxed. Well, I've unpackaged everything, inspected it. Everything's in great shape. Everything came plastic wrapped, and read the instructions, or at least perused them, and let's go ahead and get started on this. I kind of set my clock to just kind of see how long it will take to put together. It looks relatively simple. I counted the hardware. All the hardware's here. First thing that goes in is the wheel, washer on each side. Hang that off the back, make it easier. Then a wheel, and a wheel, and then a washer, and cotter pin. Okay, we got through that portion. Next would be the capsters for the front. I will bring you back once I get these installed. No sense watching me. Okay, to bring you up to date, all the wheels are installed. The back brace is installed. I've got it sitting up on some blocks here, just so it doesn't want to roll around. Otherwise, it wants to get with it and go. So I'm leaving this back piece loose. I do have a magnetic brace in the back just holding it vertical. But I'm leaving it loose now until I get everything assembled. So we'll move on next to the side braces and drawer rails. Let me get those kind of positioned. Okay, let me catch you up where we're at. So put the side panels in, the horizontal angled braces for the top lid. And right now I basically are not tightening everything down, getting all the screws and lock nuts in place, and it's just assembly. Nothing too difficult unless you're like me and do stuff backwards first. Get your lefts and rights mixed up, but it's moving forward, and I'm going to fit the drawers before I tighten everything down, but I'll bring you back here in a few. Just a quick update. Basically it's assembled. Everything's loose still. Just try to drawer fit. Drawer fit seems fine. Nice full extension guides on the drawers. So you don't have to watch me, but I'm just going to run around and do the tighten up on it. It's very helpful to have a ratchet deep socket where you can use it instead of an end wrench, and then I'm using a drill driver to drive all the screws. So I'll bring you back again. There it is, all put together. I will drop it down on the ground and give it a roll around, but got all the drawers in. Drawers seem fine, so everything seems to be working well. Well, there it is, all dressed out also. That welder there is a multi-process welder. It does plasma, MIG, TIG, and arc. So you can see all the different cables hanging on it. And the drawers work out well. We've got items stored in them. So really happy with that. I want to say the quality of the build is actually really pretty nice. There's not a handle on it to push it around, but everything about it is good quality. That's me moving the welder around on the table. So my impression of the unit is it's well built and good quality. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again here in the near future on another product video.